What's up, guys? Today's a pretty exciting day because we get to test another exhaust of the 22 WRX, and this time it's the ETS Catback. Well, let's get started, shall we? You get everything you need in the box, including hardware, gaskets, obviously all the exhausts, and as one would come to expect from ETS, beautiful welds and high build quality. Only thing you don't get is stickers. I want my stickers, ETS. Guys, the install is really easy. I'm not gonna go step by step with you guys today. If you need a step-by-step catback guide, I have a video of me installing a Remark catback. I go step by step in that video. What I will tell you in this video though is pick up an exhaust hanger tool off eBay, super cheap, and you'll need a 12 mil, a 13 mil, and a 14 mil, and that's it. ETS uses this really sweet exhaust clamp design that actually pushes two pieces of exhaust pipe together, allowing you to get away without using gaskets in between every piece. Really cool. All right, once you're all done installing, wipe down the tips of any fingerprints, go throw on a flannel, grab yourself a pumpkin spice latte, and go enjoy some fall scenery in your car. Breathtaking, really. Alright, now that we're done horsing around, let's talk a little bit about this exhaust. So, stainless steel construction, 3-inch piping, all the way through. Even after the split, each of the tip sections remains 3 inches, so very impressive there. Weighs in at 32 pounds, so about a 6-7 pound weight saving over stock. Price-wise, $12.95 for the stainless steel tips, or if you want burnt tips like ours, I'll run you at $14.95. As I said in the beginning, obviously really nice welds, good build quality. Fitment was perfect, just something you'd come to expect from a company like ETS. They make really quality stuff. Daily living wise, as with any exhaust we tested on this thing, they're quieter than you might expect. This doesn't have a resonator or a muffler or anything in it, and you know, when cruising around town, still relatively quiet, but obviously if you get on it, then it will get relatively loud. Let's see here, drone wise, so another characteristic of this car, besides being quiet even without any sound deadening, is the fact that it drones really bad. And actually, I think out of all the exhausts we've tested on this thing, this one drones by far the least, which is very, very pleasant surprise, because on some of those, even on the ETS Axleback, the drone on the highway was driving me absolutely nuts. So this one, you know, you can play music on like a pretty low level and that drone will fade right away. So yeah, really, really pleasant surprise for me. Anyways guys, I think that will about do it for today. If you want to stay tuned, since we'll be throwing on some more ETS goodies on this thing real soon, make sure to subscribe, check out some of our other videos, and if you enjoyed today's video, maybe leave me a like. And as always, love you guys. See you in the next one.